Hi, good morning. My name is Dave Karn. I'm the distribution manager for Bose Professional. Here this morning at the Almo ProAV booth. And what I'd like to show you is something that's brand new for Bose Professional. It's a speaker that we've been missing. It's part of the DesignMax line. This is the DM12SE. So it's a 12-inch two-way speaker, outdoor. It's IP55 rated. So think high SPL, so high output speaker. It's got UV resistant paint on the grill, so it can be installed in sunny locations. It's got extra protection inside, ingress protection. So it's IP55 rated and ready to go outside. It's also got a heavy-duty pan tilt bracket in the box with the speaker. So again, 12-inch two-way, high performance. It's being demoed in our demo room today at InfoComm, which is N116. If you have a chance, I'd recommend stopping by, giving it a listen. Again, I'm Dave Karn from Bose Professional, and visit boseprofessional.com for more information.